Let's make Korean barbecue short ribs. First thing we're gonna do is make our sauce. A half cup of soy sauce, half a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic, roughly the same amount of ginger, red pepper flakes, and then I'm gonna add some gochujang. We'll mix it up and we set it aside. And we got our short ribs. We're just gonna season them up, salt, pepper, and garlic. With a screaming hot pan and a little oil, we're gonna put our short ribs in there just to get a little bit of brown, about 30 seconds aside. We're just looking for a quick sear. Once our ribs are seared, all right, our slow cooker is on low. Let's get those ribs in there. We add our sauce, put a lid on it, and cook low for 8 to 9 hours. Make some rice.
When your ribs are done, remove your ribs, take the sauce into a saucepan, thicken it with a cornstarch slurry, and boil it till it's as thick as you like it.
About 1.5 cups of carrots. Peace.